Hello friends, this is Dikshit. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about paragraphs and headings. Let's get started. First we will open Notepad and we will enter basic HTML syntax. Now I am going to add body tag. I have taken the title of the web page as headings and paragraphs. After this, I'm gonna add p tag between body tag. P tag indicates that whatever we write in between them will be shown in paragraph font. After that, we will save the file. Don't forget to give it an extension as HTML. Let's save this. Now I'll open the file. Now you are able to see the text we have written in the format of a paragraph. This is the use of p tag. Okay friends, let's do some other changes to our file and let's see what happens. Now we are going to deal with types of headings. We'll write a heading in different sizes. First we'll add h1 tag and I'll give it a heading as paragraphs and headings. This heading should be between h1 tag After that, we'll use a shortcut key, that is Ctrl+S, to save our file. After doing so, we'll directly go on to the web page and we'll just refresh the page. The changes are appearing over here, and you will be able to see the heading, paragraphs and headings in maximum size. If you want one more line of heading with somewhat smaller size, we'll enter h2 tag and we'll save the file. After we save the file, we'll just go on to web page and we'll refresh it. Now you are able to see one more line with the change in size. Like this, you can add up to 6 tags, H6 tags, because the H6 tag is the only smallest that will represent the smallest size of the heading, which we will keep in between these tags. So we'll enter maximum of 6 tags. we'll save the file and we'll go on to our web page and refresh it. Now you are able to see 6 lines of headings with different size. As you can see that the size is being decreasing, and this is the only smallest size you will be able to see over here, and the top one is the largest one. You can see the size variations clearly over here. Now we'll try to keep all these headings in the center of the web page. So we'll add a tag that is center tag. After you add this tag, the matter which will be in between these tags will be displayed at the center. We'll just refresh our web page. As you can see that you will be able to see the text or the matter which is enclosed between center tags is being shown at the center. This is the use of the center tag. Okay friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video with your friends. This is Dixit signing off. Meet you in the next episode.